We're going to have 5 competitors up here. Every portion of sausages are 4 sausages on a plate. We will have 5 that start this off with their first portions. We will lose the slowest 2, and then we will lose the slowest 1 after that, and our final 2 competitors will battle it out to finish their sausage portions. Then, only then, can they move on to the cider or lemonade if they're driving in front of them. Okay, shall we proceed?
Yes, so our winner today will have eaten 12 sausages.
Ooh.
It's a lot of meat. Let's start this competition in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! And we're off!
This is as exciting as it gets, by the way, guys.
Word, he's going for it in whole.
The one in purple. The one in purple.
It's a torture for a dog, isn't it?
Got the speed on these gents. Swindon, you're doing us proud.
Yeah, Phil is through. Round of applause for Phil, everybody. Phil's through. So I must see an empty mouth. You can put your hand in the air triumphantly all you like. There we go, open mouth. Thanks, Sam. That was a pleasure for me. We're going to have only one more gentleman through. We're going to lose the other 2. Is it going to be Alistair? Is it Alistair's through? So we lose James and Matt, everybody.
Round of applause for James and Matt.
Take your side.
Oh my God.
James, you a bit.
Round of applause for Philip. He's
He's a machine.
He's got his last round. The speed of Philip.
They're going to do the rest
Alistair, you tapping out?
Yeah.
You tapping out? We're going to lose you, Alistair?
of it.
I'm going to lose Alistair, everybody. He's
Round of
tapping out.
applause. We've actually never had someone withdraw themselves before from sausages, and we've been doing this for 5 years, so fair play to you.
Quick while you're ahead, Alistair. Very smart. We have our final 2. Phil Banners, are you cider if you all finish these sausages, Phil? Let's have a huge big...
Sign up today, but that didn't stop him in training.
Hello, from Port. How are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
We're in Swindon.
Yes, we are in
My
Swindon.
people.
You've been doing masterclasses all day, is that
I
right?
have, I've done a few master classes. Yeah, going very well, doing my tiramisu.
How's that been going down?
Very good.
Nice.
Yeah,
And
very
apparently there's no eggs, right? Is this
No eggs, yes, mine's a twist on the classic. I do stay traditional and authentic in most recipes, but the tiramisu I do a little twist on it. No eggs, condensed milk instead. I'm almost condensed milk.
Awesome.
Your ladyfingers are the best in Wiltshire, I've heard.
Yes, they are magic fingers.
They
I've
are.
been told a few times.
And they're going to do some great stuff, these magic fingers
Yes.
now, aren't they? What are they going to be making for us now?
With the ants. So we're going to be doing torta, limone e ricotta. So it's a lemon ricotta cake. Very easy, very summery dish. More like middle of Italy downwards, southern Italy, Calabria, a bit of Sicily, that kind of vibe. You won't see it too much in Tuscany. So there you go in, 2 full eggs. Nice and easy. So with the eggs, 2 eggs with this recipe. We're going in around 100 grams of sugar. I know it's not perfect now, it's calorific, but you go for a nice walk afterwards, burn it off. Sugar goes in, grate that down a bit, the yolks down, nice little whisk. You just want a creamy consistency, really easy. You don't have to use electric whisk for this, just hand whisk for it. We're going with a bit of vanilla extract. Just a little drizzle of that with the ant that's sitting on it. But he's not going in yet. There's going to be an ant in this, completely. There's definitely going to be an ant.
Great, so very pleased to say you will get to try some of
Yes,
this.
you will. Ants and all.
If you like.
So, lemon zest. We're not using any lemon juice. Lemon zest is going in. A little lemon zest. Probably like a whole lemon we're going to use for this one. So, okay. So, we've got sugar in, eggs, lemon zest, vanilla, going with ricotta. So, everyone likes ricotta? I haven't had ricotta before. So, when you make cheese, you get a liquid left behind, and that's the whey. So, ricotta means recooked. So, the whey gets recooked into ricotta. So that's basically it. More than ricotta, probably like 200 grams there, isn't it? 250, 200 grams. Mix that in. Whiskey with that. A little knob of butter with my knife. Softened butter if you can get it. Soften it a little bit. That goes in. And this is in my recipe cookbook. I will mention this later on, but this recipe is in that. So I will butter goes in, just that again. So I've got one of these pre-made. It's in the oven now warming up so you can taste it afterwards. So simple to do, really easy. Again, very fragrant, very summery dish. Baking powder. Do you want like a teaspoon and a half of flour? Go in, probably a cup and a half, 150 grams I'd say roughly in this. Again with this and savoury cooking, obviously I'm good at both, but I do like the baking side of it. With the baking side you've got to be more specific. You can't taste stuff. So when you're cooking a sauce, you can add a bit more salt, you can put ginger if you want to. You can taste as you go. With baking, it's a whole new world. You've got to literally, pretty much by the measurement, go in and just do it exactly by the same. So you've got to be very careful with that. Once it's in, so you can't mess about with it. So the consistency you're looking for, it's kind of like a cookie mixture consistency. You want it a bit thick, just so you can make a bit of a shape when you pull it into the tin at the end. And, so I'll put like a cup and a half. Whoever used it. So when you finish with it, you want to put it in a round tin or whatever type of tin, square, whatever you want to do. Part from the paper at the bottom, butter the sides a little bit just so it doesn't stick if in case it does. Get that out. And this is what you want it to look like at the end. So bake it 180 preheated oven, 30 minutes in the oven. And you want it will eventually, it will look like that. Don't worry if it's browned on top or anything, or you think, oh, it's burnt or anything like that. If you want to get a nice little crust, because you will be finishing it with. So that is so simple. The dough, the mix is ready. You can see the consistency, that's what you want. That kind of like dough, kind of Play-Doh kind of consistency with it. That's what you need. Pour that into a tin. Again, 30 minutes in the oven. Remove the ice and sugar over the top.
John Paul Alberti, everyone. If you enjoyed him, it's a John Paul Alberti afternoon as well. He's going to be on the stage for the Cake Off, we believe, at 1:45, and also for Beat the Chef at 2:25, where two chefs will be going head to head.